Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is a special day because my brand new gaming laptop has finally arrived. This is the HP Victus Gaming Laptop powered by the Intel Core i7-13620H processor and the latest RTX 5060 graphic card. I have been waiting for this laptop for quite some time, so let's unbox it together and see what we get inside the box. Alright, let's break the seal and open it up. The packaging looks clean and well protected. HP has packed everything nicely to keep the laptop safe during shipping. And here it is. This is the HP Victus FA2308TX in the mica silver color. First impressions? Wow! It looks really sleek and premium. Even though it's a gaming laptop, it doesn't look overly flashy, which I personally like. Let's quickly check out what else comes in the box. We have a power adapter, charging cable, and some documentation, and the usual setup guides. Nothing fancy here, but everything you need to get started is included. This is probably the most satisfying part of any unboxing, removing all the protective plastic. The finish looks really clean and the build quality feels solid. The laptop weighs around 2.29 kilograms, which is pretty reasonable for a gaming machine with this kind of hardware. Let's open it up for the first time. The hinge feels sturdy and I really like the simple Victus branding. The keyboard comes in with RGB backlighting, which should look great while gaming at night. Taking a closer look, we get a full-size keyboard with a numeric keypad. The display is a 15.6-inch Full HD panel with a 144Hz refresh rate, which should make gaming and everyday usage feel super smooth. Moment of truth. Let's power it on. There it is, the first boot. Watching a new laptop start up for the first time never gets old. Alright, the laptop was powered on successfully. Since this is the very first startup, Windows is taking us through the initial setup process. First, we need to select our country and region. In my case, I am choosing India and proceeding with the setup. Next, let's connect to a Wi-Fi network so Windows can complete the setup and check for the latest updates. Windows asks us for a few privacy and personalization preferences. I am keeping the default settings for now, and you can customize them according to your needs. A new laptop usually has several pending updates waiting to be installed. As you can now see, Windows is downloading and installing the latest security updates, feature updates, and system improvements. Now, it's asking me to sign in with a Microsoft account. You can either sign in with your existing Microsoft account or create a new one if you don't have one already. Signing in helps synchronizing settings, OneDrive files, Microsoft Store apps, and other Windows features. After signing in, Windows asks us for a few privacy and personalization preferences. I am keeping the default settings for now, and you can customize them according to your needs. And we are finally on the desktop. The setup process was pretty straightforward and only took a few minutes to complete. Let's quickly talk about what's inside the machine. The HP Victus comes in with Intel Core i7-13620H processor, Nvidia GeForce RTX 5060 graphic card with 8GB VRAM, 24GB DDR5 RAM, and 1TB SSD storage. Windows 11 is pre-installed, and Microsoft Office 2024 and a 1 year of Microsoft 365. These specifications should be more than capable for modern AAA games, content creation, video creating, editing, programming, and multitasking. I will be testing games, thermals, performance, and battery life over the next few days. So, if you'd like to see gaming benchmarks and a full review, make sure you are subscribed to our channel. Overall, my first impression is really positive. The laptop looks great, feels premium, and the specifications are impressive for this price. Let me know in the comments what games you would like me to test on this RTX 5060 laptop. If you enjoyed this unboxing video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Please like, share, and subscribe.